Welcome to Little Letters channel. Hello. We say hello to great people. Thank you. Thank you. When you receive something nice, you say thank you. Have a good day. Mommy says have a good day when I go to school in the morning. Goodbye. You say goodbye when you're going away. Let's go. You say let's go when you want your friend to come along with you. Happy birthday. Birthday is the day that you were born. You say happy birthday to celebrate someone's birthday. Happy birthday. Help. When you need help, you ask for it. It's okay to ask for help. Please. When you ask for something, you say please. Don't. When you don't want someone to do something, you say don't. Like, don't touch that. Yes. When you agree with something, you say yes. No. When you don't agree with something, you say no. Okay. When you understand something, you say okay. We had so much fun learning. See you next time. Please like